Hey guys, so today I'm going to teach you how I made this mango peach blueberry dream smoothie bowl. That's what I call it, the blueberry dream. It's so nice and pretty. The color is immaculate. So if you want to learn how to make this smoothie, stay tuned. All right, so first we're going to add our almond milk. And then we're going to add our peaches. So I don't really measure anything, ladies. Like, this is how much it is. I don't know how much, maybe a cup. I don't measure, just, you know, put whatever your heart's desire. So peaches. So this is the mango and 1 banana. And it's key to make sure all the fruit is frozen, okay? If you're not using frozen fruit, your smoothie bowl is not gonna be thick. It's gonna be watery. Now I'm gonna add some blueberries. I really just wanted to have a really rich blue color. So I'm gonna add a couple blueberries. And then I'm also gonna add some blue spirulina. This is optional. I get mine off of Amazon. Blue spirulina, I think I'm saying it right. It's really expensive. This one bag here was like $30, okay? But it gives your smoothies that really rich blue color. And spirulina also has a lot of health benefits. And a little goes a long way. So really all I need is like maybe like this much. And then I'm gonna add a ½ scoop of vanilla protein powder. Now you can use really whatever flavor of protein powder you want, but I like vanilla just because it's white and it just makes the color, it doesn't mess up the color of the smoothie. I'm really big on like the color. I like the color to look pretty. Pretty. It came out a really blue color. Oh, I love that blue stuff. Done with the smoothie bowl. When I tell you, this looks so pretty. I feel like I put a little bit too much granola, but it looks good. This is a turmeric granola, so it has like a little bit of turmeric in it. So good. Now it's time for the taste test. This is so good. All right, guys, let me know if you try this recipe. I highly suggest getting a Vitamix, you guys. It's the best blender ever. You can do this in any blender, but trust me, when you get a Vitamix, it will change your life, okay? All right, ladies, I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye, guys.
Baby, when you move your body.